Hello, if you ever wonder how to use the sound signaling function with your AirPods and the application Find My, I'm gonna show you right now. So let's start with opening the application, and as you can see, here are our AirPods. So click on it, and right now when we open the case and press on the play sound, we can clearly hear that our AirPods are making some noise. And if you were listening to the music and just drop the left AirPod, right now we can clearly hear that only one is signaling. And we can also switch to the right, turn off the left, and right now there is the right. So this is how it works. I hope that I'll help you. If I do, leave likes, subscriptions, and of course comments below.